In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. You can open up Instagram, you can swipe to the right to bring up story camera, and right here you can record some video. Or you can go back and upload some video from your photo gallery. Here I got some, I can select any of them, but here unfortunately I can't find a reverse feature. That's because Instagram app hasn't added this feature yet, so we have to use third-party app to reverse the video. Let me show you how you can do this. Hop out Instagram and then open up InShot app. You have to download that app. Once you did that, hit add video icon. It opens up your phone's gallery from where you can select any of your video files. Let it be that one. I can hit now a check mark icon to add this video to timeline. And now if I want to reverse the video, all I have to do is find a reverse feature right here at the toolbar. So I can drag it to the left until I find at the very right position that reverse feature. I can hit on that, then I have to wait for some time depending on video quality and depending on video duration. And as you can see, reverse success. I can hit now at play button to see how it looks like now. I can hit right here at share button, then I can select to save option to save that video to my phone's gallery. I can now hop out InShot and open up Photos, where I can find that file that I have just created. As you can see, the file is reversed, and now I can open up Instagram. I can hit at plus sign, select a story here or select reel here, and then I can hit right here at that plus sign to open up my camera roll, and from here I can select the video that I have just created. Also right there I can trim it if I want in that way, and now I can hit on add and tap on next. I can add their music or some effects or stickers, and once I'm done with that I can hit on next button and then share that reel with my followers. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.